Hi everyone, a rainy morning to all of you. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So today I and my friend and a couple of other people from my village, from my hometown, we are heading towards another interesting destination, which is termed as Kabrakhola or Kobrakhola. I'm not so very sure, but it is supposed to be the second highest waterfall of Cuttack district. Mostly rain fed, but I have seen it in photos only. So again, we are en routing from Bhubaneswar to that place, which is about 115 kilometers from Bhubaneswar. We are routing through Khordha, Baghamari, then my hometown Kalapathar. Then we'll route through Siddhamula Bridge. So we just passed Kantilo, and I guess the destination is around 30 kilometers from here. So earlier I spelled it wrong. Actually, the name of that waterfall is Dabrakhol, so which is supposed to be the second largest in terms of length of Cuttack district. So the entire journey is certainly going to give you some sort of goosebumps because of this greenery and river Mahanadi adjacent to you. So stay tuned. I guess within half an hour we are going to reach there. Then I'll show you. And I am also equally pumped up to have witnessed another waterfall in Cuttack district and to add one more waterfall in my travel book. Stay tuned. So right now we are passing through again one of the most visited picnic spots of Nayagarh district, that is termed as Gokulanand. So in winter this place gets crowded like anything. So we are just about to cross the one of the longest bridge in Mahanadi river. So it is popularly termed as Siddhamula Bridge. So once we cross the bridge, then we have to take right, and the destination is kind of 15 kilometers from there. So I'll give you a glimpse of this bridge. So yeah, see, this is the bridge. So one of the longest bridges of Mahanadi. You can see the river Mahanadi here, both the sides. And that place at the hilltop is Gokulanand. This bridge is supposed to be at about 2 kilometers long. And this has become one of the important connection between Narsingpur and Atagad area to this Nayagarh side. People are taking selfies, so it does not only serve as a breeze but also as a tourist spot. So here comes the toughest part, the jungle and the road. Although there is a blacktop road available, but yeah, it is a kind of equivalent to that of a ghat. So see the greenery, and we are kind of 4 to 5 kilometers away from our destination. But you will die for this view for your lifetime. Yes, for sure.
Now we are ascending the.
Yeah, we are ascending. Yeah, and away from the concrete jungle, this greenery will certainly rejuvenate you, revive you, and will pump your soul definitely. So see the view, and you can see a two-wheeler is escorting us. So these people have been here for once, so they are kind of guiding us to the destination because we are kind of new here. Although you will find many hurdles during the journey, you will have bamboo branches blocking your road, but you have to pierce through. I mean, reaching to the destination. This is certainly an adventurous journey, to be sure. Because you see, we have two friends who are accompanying us. They are kind of our guide, so we can easily.
They are helping.
Yeah,
they are making the way.
Yeah, they're making the way out to the waterfall. But yeah, when you are exploring, when you are up to to explore the hidden treasures, of nature, then you need to bear some pain, that is for sure. And we are right now bearing that pain. But we are kind of unstoppable people. We are determined. So I guess we'll make it through to the destination. Stay tuned. So from here, the trekking starts. As you can see behind me is the sign to Dabra Khol. So from here the trekking starts, and we are right now kind of cruising towards the destination, and we have our tent. So for the very first time we will be camping there. This is a kind of our first-hand experience, and my friend has already started the to like explore. So let's see. We'll cruise towards the destination, and we'll camp there. Catch you there. As you can see, right now we are cruising towards the destination. So be ready for at least to trek 2 to 3 kilometers from the parking place in order to reach the destination through deep dense forest, to be precise. This is how it goes. You need to cross at least 2-3 streams on the way. So this is how it goes, and I had to pick up my friend on the way. So the tool that we picked up from Decathlon. So see how it is helping. So you can at least rest on the way. Stay tuned. So see how the waterfall, crosses the area. So behind me you see how it is flowing, and also you see the route. And we are going through extremely tough conditions. So I strongly feel like whether we will be able to camp or not, but this place is mind-blowing, people. You need to at least you need to pay a visit once in your lifetime to have it witness. See, behind me the water is flowing all the way, and we have to sphere in through it. So this is what adventure is. This is what trekking is actually. This is what exploration means actually for all of us. Stay tuned. So we are still trekking inside the deep dense forest. My friend Subhranshu.
You are very like Bear Grylls.
So he is having a real tough time wearing his shoes, and this is awesome, people. This is wonderful, although a little adventurous. So see the way we are piercing in to the destination. So the start is wonderful. So easily you can imagine how the end will be. After all the tough job, after all the tiresome journey, after all the tough journey, see, this is how Dabra Khol waterfall looks like. This is mesmerizing, this is amazing, and to be very precise, there was little rain prior to this, and that's why the waterfall is kind of roaring like anything. See, this is how beautiful it is. And to my surprise, there is another one. If you trek a little up there, there is another one waterfall lies there. See how beautiful it is. So the more you go through tough, the more you go through the nature, the more you spear in, you will be amazed for sure all the time. See how it looks like. This is just amazing. This is mesmerizing. See the ambience, see the natural beauty. And today, to all our surprise, there is way less crowd. So this looks real amazing. To be able to reach to the next waterfall, you need to go through this. It's way too slippery. There is no proper road here, and you will be sucked like anything. Trust me, you will be sucked like anything. So one of my friend is having a real hard time reaching there. So let us give a try and go to the other level, to the other waterfall. That's for sure. Let's see. Hi people. So I think you can hear my voice because the waterfall is roaring like anything. And I just fell down over there because it is too slippery over here. But you see, this is the second phase of the waterfall, and see how it looks like. Yeah. And quite a number of youngsters are enjoying here like anything. And because it was raining day before yesterday and day before yesterday, that's why the number of crowd is relatively high. And they are all pumped up and enjoying like anything. See, this is how the waterfall looks like. So I just fell down and took a bath. Thanks. So finally, I and my friends. So we are bidding adieu from Debragad Khol. Debra Khol. Okay. So Dabar Khol. Okay. Yeah. Please pardon me if I spell it incorrect. Yeah. Dabar Khol. Dabar Khol. Whatever. So I'll share the location beneath my storyline. So you will be find it easy to locate the place. But we are bidding adieu from here, and this place is amazing, guys. You see, you will experience something of your lifetime. I mean, this is one of the wonderful day of my life, if I must quote. So, pay visit during winter and rainy season only, because this is a completely rain-fed waterfall. See the place. See how slippery it is. It's difficult. So pay a visit in winter and rain, you will definitely feel rejuvenated, and the more you go through pain, the more you will be informal, the more wonderful, the more beautiful the view is. So I managed to reach out to this place and place this for your information. So stay tuned and pay a visit. This is our place, and once I get to the main road, I'll share you how to reach here. Till then, subscribe to my YouTube channel and take care. Bye bye.